subject is followed by will have or shall have. Will have or will have, shall have. Will and shall are always used in every form of future tense. In fact, these two models are termed as future tense makers. Future tense makers. Remember this thing in particular. The modal verbs will and shall are termed as future tense makers because making future tense without will and shall is dead impossible. You cannot make any future tense without using will and shall. So, subject plus will have oblique shall have. And one more important thing that you must remember always is that in perfect tenses or in perfect tense forms, we are bound to use third form of verb. Whether it is present perfect, future perfect, past perfect, you are bound to use third form of verb. And third form of verb is also called as past participle form of verb. Whether you call it past participle form of verb or third form of verb, that's not going to make any difference. Is that clear to you? Any further explanations required? So, third form of verb followed by an object. Now, applying this formula, we shall try to make a few sentences. First in Urdu, then we shall translate the same into English. वो 4 बजे तक वहां पहुंच चुका हो. Read this Urdu sentence loud. वो 4 बजे तक वहां पहुंच चुका हो. First of all, you guys tell me whether the tense of the verb here is future perfect or not. Do you agree with me on this point that the tense of the verb here is future perfect tense? Okay. How do you know? Because the sentence comes to an end at chuka hoga. Now, using this sentence structure, we shall translate this Urdu sentence into English. Okay? Let us do it stepwise. First, we need to take subject. He is third person singular. He is third person singular. The pronoun he is third person singular and must be followed by will have. He will have. अच्छा बेटा, पहुंचने को अंग्रेजी में क्या कहते हैं? Reach. And what should be its second form or third form? The verb reach is regular verb. It is second form and third form can be made by adding ed to first form. So he will have reached there. He will have by 4 o'clock or 4 a.m. p.m. whatever. He will have reached there by 4 o'clock. हम अगले महीने तक अंग्रेजी जुबान सीख चुके होंगे. या I repeat, हम अगले महीने तक अंग्रेजी जुबान सीख चुके होंगे. We shall have learned English language by the next month. Okay? With that, today's class comes to an end. See you in the next class. Till then, have a good time. Fi amanillah.